Hey everybody, how's it going? I could use your help today with confirming something about the iPhone 13. I'm not able to get access to one myself yet. To be clear, this has not been confirmed yet. All I would like is help confirming it. I'm not saying that this is yet the case. This is something from someone who I trust because they were behind the dot projector fixing tool, which is very useful to a lot of people. And here in his post, it says that iPhone 13 series batteries are encrypted, and the power meter can supply the machine the current of 0 milliamps, 75 milliamps, 135 milliamps. I imagine that, again, there's a little bit of broken English here, but this may mean that in his experience, if you try to use a different battery in your iPhone 13 than the one it came with, that it's not able to supply power properly. Not that it's just going to say, oh, this is not a genuine battery, but that it's actually going to say, okay, we're just not going to supply power to the phone. I don't know if this is true. I'm not stating that this is true. I don't know yet. I don't have access to an iPhone 13 to confirm it. What I'm asking is, if you do have access to several iPhone 13s, are you able to confirm whether or not this is the case? Can you take this iPhone 13 and that iPhone 13, can you swap the batteries between the two and see if everything still functions as it did before? Which means, A, does it charge at the same rate that it did before? If you could plug in a USB amp meter to just measure the amperage that you're getting from the charger before and after, that would be great. And B, when you are doing something that is going to put a heavy load on the phone, let's say using the camcorder application and encoding video with the brightness turned all the way up, or playing a video game, or doing all of that stuff while you are uploading a large file to a server so that the radio is working full-time while everything else is working full-time. Can you stress the phone after swapping the batteries between two known good phones and see if there's any difference? I would highly appreciate it. Someone asked if there's any way that I could confirm this, and I said, no, I don't have access to an iPhone 13, but I do know 1.64 million people who may be able to help me out. So let me know what your findings are down below. Thank you so much for taking the time. I really do appreciate it. And yet, while I don't know if this is the case yet, it's one of those things where I'll be honest with you, it just wouldn't surprise me. Like, I don't know if this is true. I don't know if what this guy posted is true, but it really wouldn't surprise me if it was at this point. There's not a lot that does surprise me anymore. Thank you so much, and as always, I hope I learned something. See you in the next video. Bye now.